Hey there, welcome back. So today we will check switch case again, and this time around we will check the switch case with reference to a string. Now what is a string? A string is nothing but a stream of characters. So let's proceed further and let's get started. So in here, in place of char, we will type in string, and the name of the variable, let's keep it as x only, and the string could be, for example, my name, like Chand, which is a good to start a string. Alright, so this seems to be good enough, and let's do one thing. We will change the variable name as a name. That would be a better name for it. So we will be adding the switch on name. So this is good. And moving forward, we would be adding multiple cases. So let us get rid of the current scenario. We will get rid of these additional cases which are there already. Alright, and we will ask Eclipse to format things a little. Alright, and now in place of these cases, we would be adding, for example, cases. So first case is for string Chand. The second case is for example, team, and the next case could be like editor. So let us add pair of double quotes and editor. Alright, so let us also do one more thing. In place of case Chand, let us add author in here, so that will symbolize as better way. Alright, and to start with, we will give it a string as team. Alright, so let us also update these strings. So who is the author? Author is Chand, and the name of the team, definitely team study easy. And who are the editors? So for this course, the editors are Shahbaz and Salim. Alright, and this time around, let us get rid of default case, or in fact let us add a message. That message would be invalid entry. Alright, so everything seems good to me. Let us execute this program, and the output should be a proper output, team study easy. So perfect. Now when it comes to string, there are multiple things which we can do with a string, and definitely we will check string in greater detail. But as if now to understand that these strings are case sensitive. So for example, I say team. In that case, the output would be invalid entry. Now how to handle this? Now we can add multiple cases. For example, I can copy this and I can do this like this. But is this a proper way? We will be ending up adding too many cases, right? So that isn't a good idea. There needs to be an alternative solution, right? And in fact, there is an alternative solution. What we can do is we can add these cases as all lowercase, first of all, like author, team, and editor. So that's one thing. And whenever we receive any string, first of all we will convert the string to a lowercase, and we also have these inbuilt method on a string. So we can type in dot to, oops, why the suggestions are not proper, let me retry, to lowercase. Here we go. So this method, what this method will do is it will read the string and return the string in all lowercase, and our purpose would be solved. So now if I execute this program, the output is team study easy, which is perfect because the case and the string matches exactly. But for example, I say team maybe. So in here, T is in a capital case and M is again in a capital case. So ideally, we won't be able to execute the case team where all the 4 characters are in a lower case. But because we are calling in this to lower case method, this particular string which we are sending to the switch would be converted to lowercase first, and then we would be applying the converted text to the cases. As a result, to this switch case, we are passing simply team in all lowercase. As a result, definitely the team case should be getting executed, and here is the output. So same is true with author as well. Here we go. And same as true with editor as well. Pretty cool stuff, right? Right, so I would suggest you guys to experiment more with switch cases. Try to build some program which may implement switch cases. Try to replace if else combination with switch cases, that will help. Also try to research more on internet on switch cases, that will again help. So this is Chand from Study Easy signing off. I will catch you in the next video with a new explanation. Take care.